Tired of searching for that perfect, high-end glow? Today, I am finally revealing my secret CC that everyone's been asking for. And trust me, the results will blow your mind. All right! First, we need a rectangle to hold all these effects. I personally like to call it paper, but what do you call it? Let me know in the comments. The first effect we need is copy background. This effect duplicates your background without losing quality. The second effect we need is saturation/vibrance. This effect controls how vibrant your colors look. Saturation makes all colors stronger. Vibrance, on the other hand, focuses on dull colors and enhances them, while keeping the image balanced. If you want colors that pop, but still look natural, this effect is essential. The third effect we're going to use is highlights and shadows. This effect controls the lighting between the bright and dark areas. We can reduce strong highlights and bring out details in the shadows. This makes the image clearer. The fourth effect we're going to use is sharpen. This effect makes the details clearer and enhances the edges. We're going to keep it at 0.59, so it looks sharp, but still natural, so it still looks natural. After that, we set the paper to 73%. Now for the second paper, we add the copy background effect. The second effect on the second paper is Gaussian blur. This effect softens the image and makes the background smoother without losing the main focus. We'll set it to 475%. The third effect is exposure gamma. It adjusts brightness and contrast in a smooth way. We'll set the exposure to -0.95 to slightly darken the image. Then we go to difference and change it to subtract. This creates a strong contrast effect and makes the layers interact in a more noticeable way. Now the third paper. Set it to white and then adjust contrast and change the blending mode to overlay for a stronger visual effect, 72%. Now for the fourth and final paper, we apply the copy background effect. The second effect is gradient overlay. It adds a smooth color blend and gives a more cinematic look. We set the first color to white and the second color to gray. Then we adjust the alpha to 36% to make the gradient more subtle. After that, we change the blend mode to screen, so the colors blend smoothly and brighten the layer. Then we go to lighten and adjust it to 32%. This helps brighten the layer slightly, while keeping the effect soft and balanced. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more editing tips and effects. The XML file is available in the description box, ready for you to use in your project. And thank you to every subscriber and supporter. Your support is the reason we keep growing and improving. Without you, this content wouldn't have any value. See you in the next video.